Alright guys, today we're tuning this 2012 Mustang GT Coyote car. It's got a JLT cold air on it, stock intake manifolds, got some exhaust work done to it, still on pump gas. Car's just bolt on, pretty stock engine wise, but it's been obviously been lowered, got a different front lip on it, different grille, cowl hood, got some quarter window louvers, wheel and tire combo looks good. The car sits just right. This thing's just a really cool daily driver. If you guys know me, you know that these S197s are pretty near and dear to my heart. And I kind of miss having just a basic bolt-on car. My personal car is so gnarly now that you can't really drive it much. But anyway, I'm going to dive into this thing and see what we can make with it. So this thing actually made a significantly better number than I was thinking. Usually they make in the 385 to 392 area. So they made 408 to the tire, relatively early, stock intake manifold, typical stuff. So it made peak power at 6,500, made 380 foot-pounds of torque all the way down at 4,300. But decent looking curve. You know, Boss 302 car, you'd have to turn it a lot, but this thing actually made a pretty good number on that stock intake manifold, still on pump gas. So I'm kind of impressed. I don't know what's unique about this one over the other ones. I know that this does have a new engine in it from the dealer, but I don't know. I would assume that it was Gen 1 stuff, but who knows really. But anyway, that's it for this one. We'll get it off of here and move on to the next project.